Walmart is one of the largest e-commerce marketplaces in North America, attracting millions of active buyers and sellers worldwide. For software developers building scalable SaaS products, this creates a strong opportunity to expand functionality, enable real-time data synchronization, and support merchants operating on this global marketplace. Walmart provides a comprehensive API ecosystem that allows access to valuable store data, such as orders, products, customers, inventory, and shipments. The Walmart API is a powerful tool that allows developers to integrate their e-commerce software with Walmart's platform. Using Walmart APIs, software developers can build solutions that automate product listing, synchronize inventory across channels, manage order workflows, and ensure accurate, real-time data exchange. The Walmart API supports XML and JSON data formats, enabling seamless integration with various systems and technologies. These APIs are typically REST-based, allowing access via standard HTTP methods such as GET, POST, PUT, and DELETE. Authentication is handled using API keys combined with OAuth-based mechanisms, ensuring secure communication between connected systems. The Walmart API allows software developers to integrate essential features into their e-commerce software, helping them automate workflows and build scalable multi-channel solutions. Walmart API integration provides significant benefits, including expanded market reach, improved customer acquisition, access to valuable data, and enhanced software capabilities. However, direct API integration can be expensive and time-consuming, as it requires managing rate limits, handling ongoing API updates, and maintaining separate integrations across multiple e-commerce platforms. To address these challenges, software developers choose a unified API integration solution such as API 2Cart. API 2Cart offers a unified API that allows your e-commerce software to integrate with Walmart and 60+ other e-commerce platforms and marketplaces, including Shopify, Magento, WooCommerce, Etsy, Wix, OpenCart, Flipkart, Shopee, Temu, TikTok Shop, Lazada, and others at once, all through a single integration. For software developers, it eliminates the complexity of managing and maintaining separate integrations for each platform. API 2Cart also provides 100+ API methods to retrieve, manage, and synchronize essential store data, including orders, products, categories, inventory, shipments, and more. As a result, developers can seamlessly connect their solutions with multiple e-commerce platforms, automate key operations, and enable businesses to scale more efficiently. This approach significantly simplifies the integration process, reduces development time and costs, minimizes maintenance efforts, and accelerates time to market for your SaaS products. Contact us today and explore how to easily develop a Walmart API integration via API 2Cart. Start your free trial right now.